Hello y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. This will be my first cooking video ever, and today I'll be teaching you how to make banh xèo straight from home. And my YouTube channel is called Tam and Tram. I'm Tram and my husband is Tam. Can you say? He's the cameraman.
Hi.
All you need is this brand. It's ready mixed and you can make your banh xèo right at home. And the ingredients will be listed right here, and stay throughout the video because you don't want to miss out the little details on how to make your banh xèo really crispy. Let's chop some onions. Alright, I'm going to throw this into the batter. Oh, I almost went in my face. Took a whiff of it. On the side. I like to personally put extra turmeric in it because I don't think it has enough for that turmeric color for this ready to be made pack. And this is already pre-measured, 4 1/4 cups of water. If you have any left, you can put it in the refrigerator. And when you take it out, you have to make sure you mix it again and let it sit out. So that way it can go to room temperature before you cook. Pick your favorite beer. This is optional, or you can just boil it with straight up water. Pick any meat of your choice, but I choose to use pork belly. This is what everyone usually uses. And you can let it boil for 40 minutes. I would just do it just in case. Alright, I'm going to remove. It's been 40 minutes. I'm going to remove this and put this into an ice bowl so it can shock the meat. This will allow it to cool down, and when you cut it, it won't like all break apart. Alright, the meat is fully cooled down, so I can go ahead and cut it. I'm gonna basically cut it into smaller pieces because it's banh xèo. You don't want the meat to be too big because you want to fold it when you cook it, and you want to make sure that you get into every bite. Get a little bit of meat in there as well. Okay, the water's boiling. The shrimp's ready to be boiled. Let me go ahead and just dunk it in. Alright, the shrimp's ready to be scooped out. Under 2 minutes, or about 2 minutes cooking. Put it in water and ice. So I'm gonna cut these shrimps in half, just like so, like that. Alright, the pan is ready. It's pretty hot. So you're gonna put the meat in that you want. I personally will just put the meat. Be careful because, you know, things gonna start popping everywhere. Like right now, it's kind of scary. And then you want to gently pour. Don't make the batter too thick. Just go around, and even if there's like empty spots, you can fill it in later. Don't try to like pour a handful because that's not going to make your bun so crispy. You can go around the edges, fill in your gaps. I go to the outer rim just for that. You can throw in some more onions, some yellow onions. I don't throw in the yellow onions beforehand because it's gonna look burnt. And you're gonna cover it so that the batter can cook for a little bit. Just let it cook for a little bit. Open the lid and pour some more oil around the rim because this will get the banh xeo crispy and it's gonna lift the banh xeo so you can fold it later. This takes a lot of practice. You will never get it on your first try. If you do, then good for you. See how that has burnt edges? That's because I didn't pour enough oil the first time. So that can cause the burn, but it's still gonna be good, so it doesn't matter. And let that cook and crisp up. That bun right there can be for Dorothy. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look, this is perfect. Look. My goodness, it's crispy. So now you can let it cool down. Good. Careful. Ooh, it's hot. Always got to be careful because the thing will be popping. Alright, cover that lid. We'll actually throw in some more green onions. I love onions, you can tell. Cover it, let it cook. You want the batter to cook thoroughly because, you know, you don't want it to be. Now, I'm gonna pour some extra oil around the rim so it can fry and release the batter. so it's gonna crisp up before we fold it. I would always use a spatula to get that perfect fold, just like so. Look at that color, and look at that fold. You can see my meat, my shrimp, and it's okay. You can see that crisp. Just let it sit in there and crisp up a little bit, and you can always check so it doesn't burn too much. And then you flip to the other side. Wow, look at that. To me, you see how crispy that is? That is delicious. You can tell it's crisping up, and you can transfer it to the cooling rack. Look at that. Oh, my shrimp fell off, but it's okay. Now, just gotta leave it in there for a couple minutes so it can crisp up. You always have to eye everything. This takes a lot of practice. That's all I can say. Okay. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. You see the perfect golden brown crisp that formed on this crepe. I never get it on the first one. I don't think anyone can ever get the first crepe like perfectly. Now that everything's done, all we have to do is try my food. I always grab the perfect lettuce, and I like to lay on the other herbs like Vietnamese tietto and mint leaves. I don't know what it's called in English, but you know, break a piece of Banh Xèo with all the meat and shrimp in it. Lay out your carrots and daikon on top, just like that. And then you wrap it. It can get a little messy, but trust me, every bite is worth it. Mmm. So good. I can eat this every day. Banh Xèo is one of my favorite food. I love this pre-made Banh Xèo brand, so they're not even sponsoring me. I just love it so much that I'm sharing this brand specifically. So go out there and get you some. It's easy, it's simple. You don't have to start from scratch. Thank you for staying throughout the video. If you like what you see, please subscribe to our channel. Bye.